Peace and blessings to my dear sisters and brothers. Thank you for coming here. Today I am gonna share you something about dua, how Allah has given us a precious gift, and we can say dua is most powerful tool given by Allah SWT to his mankind. First, let's see different ways of dua to be granted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number one, what you asked will be fulfilled immediately. And number two, some dua will be replaced with something else which is better for you. And number third is some dua is not answered or granted in this life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it reward for him in the paradise. There is a hadith which says nothing was given in this worldly life for my duas. I wish it was all given to me in reward in the paradise because of the huge reward he sees Allah has made. So you can see how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves us. Allah wants us to ask him whatever we want. Remember him always. People or your relatives, friends, any humankind in this world, you ask anything if you need, they will give you one time, they will give you second time, but after that they will ignore you or feel like, oh, this person is so needy, always coming. But this is not the scenario between us and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He loves needy person. Whatever you want, how much you want, how you use your dua, he loves listening from us. So ask him whatever you want, whenever you want, but just remember him. There is some etiquettes of dua. While asking dua, you must have number one, sincerity. Having ikhlas is what makes your dua to be accepted. And number second, use Allah's glorified names in your duas. For example, if you're asking for forgiveness, add Allah's glorified names, Ar-Rahman or Ar-Rahim. Like, Ya Allah, please forgive me. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, please forgive me. And number third, make intention first. Never forget Allah is all Al-Hakim, all wise, and Al-Alim, all knowing. He knows everything. So first make pure intention what you're asking and build connection with the Creator. That's all for today. If I did any mistake in this video, may Allah forgive me. And if you find this content beneficial, do benefit others by sharing. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.